everything that you need to know about BTC, that is WBTC, how to recover it, how to manage it, how to send it, how to receive it, how to store it in your wallet is what you're about to see in this video. So please stay tuned to the end of this video, like and subscribe to this channel, and then see you at the end of the video.
It's all right. You make a lot of money.
Yeah, I do all right for myself.
I'm trying to put it together. You got your fucking nice car. We live in the same building. I'm not understand how much money you make.
I don't know, 70,000 last month.
Get the fuck out of here.
So what is WBTC? WBTC is just like a tokenized version of BTC. Remember, we have what we call a token and what we call a coin. A coin is a cryptocurrency that have its own blockchain, while a token is a cryptocurrency that exists on another coin's blockchain. So the tokenized version of BTC is what we call WBTC. That means BTC that exists on the Ethereum network, BTC that exists on Binance Smart Chain network, BTC that exists on Solana network, mention them. So let's start with going to places like CoinMarketCap. If you go to CoinMarketCap right here, you will see and you search WBTC, you will see that WBTC, let's search it right here. It's also called 𝗓𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗏𝐻. Okay, it's also called 𝗓𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗡𝗏. Okay, which is WBTC. So now if you click on this contra ID, you will see that it exists on so many networks. You see Ethereum, Phantom, Avalanche, Polygon, Tomo Chain, C Chain, and so many. There are so many. Now what this simply means is, if you look at it now, it has the same price with BTC. What's the price of BTC currently? You see BTC is 18,958. Now let's quickly check before it changes. Okay, see 18,958. Okay, so you can see that it has the same price. So if you scroll all the way down, everything is virtually the same, but it's just a tokenized version of BTC, a token version of BTC. All right, so now what do you do when you lose access to this BTC? Now, how do people lose access to this BTC? Let's go to Binance, for instance. Binance have if you click on what BTC is on Ethereum. So if you go to Binance, we're in Binance. In Binance, if you tap on BTC and then you attempt withdrawing BTC, okay, let's say we want to withdraw BTC, and then you click on BTC send via crypto network. Now if you tap on this address, you see that there are several addresses here, network here. You can see Binance Smart Chain, BB20, then Bitcoin address, then BEP2 address, and Ethereum address. Okay, in some other network there are so many like that. Okay, so now in this case, now most people, why sending their BTC out of this wallet, if you look at this now, you see that BEP2 has a network fee of $0.079, while Bitcoin has a network fee of $3.80. Most times up to $10, up to $9. Okay, let's check another network so that you see what I'm trying to talk about. Let me use if I click withdraw right here, BTC on KuCoin. Now click on network. You see on KuCoin is even up to $9.5, while other network like KCC network, KuCoin network is $0.38, and other network has a lower fee. So most persons want to minimize fees while sending their crypto from Binance or from exchanges like this to what they are trying to minimize fees while sending to decentralized exchange like Trust Wallet or Metamask, and then at the end of the day they lose it. All right, now this is actually how to go about it and how to recover it. All right, so now first of all, let's start with let's say we are using Metamask, for instance. Let's say you are sending your BTC and then you sent it on let's say Ethereum address to Metamask. Now if you come to this Okay, let's say you sent it on which network do we work with now? There are so many networks, so if I want to work with so many networks, this video will be endless. Let's say you sent your BTC on Polygon network. You chose Polygon network and it's not reflecting. Okay, let's say you chose KCC network and it's not reflecting. What do? That's KuCoin network. Now, first thing you have to do is you need to copy this contra ID right here. Now go to your MetaMask. Let's go to our MetaMask. Click here, go to MetaMask. So when you're in MetaMask, now we are in MetaMask right now. Now in MetaMask, you can see my MetaMask is actually on Smart Chain. MetaMask is officially on Ethereum address. That's what you're seeing here. So if I tap there, you will see that there are so many networks that I've probably added here. You can see Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, and so many. Okay, so there are so many networks. So now first of all, you click on this menu right here. There's a menu at the top left hand side, and then scroll down to settings, and then click on network and click on add network. Now your BTC is not reflecting because you sent it via another network, so it still exists as BTC, but it exists as a wrap BTC. That is WBTC. All right, now what we are going to do here is to add the KCC network. Remember, we copied the hash ID before now. Okay, the contra ID of the BTC we sent there. All right, so now we're going to add the network of KCC here. So now to add the network of KCC right here, we need to go to our browser and then go to chainlist.org. okay, this is where we are going to chainlist.org, and then scroll all the way down and search KCC case. So here we are. You can see we have KCC network details right here. Okay, you could actually use Chainlist to actually upload this KCC network, but you know, it was taking me a little bit hard time to search, so we have to use this one here. Okay, so now let's use this KCC network site here. So now I'm just going to copy most things right here. What happened there? So let us just copy this, the RPC. This is where I'm going to copy right there. So we have the KCC mainnet 321 chain ID. So here we come here. Of course, MetaMask always requests someone to, you know, enter passcode because of security before logging in. All right, we are in. So let's go over this. Click on the menu, settings, network, add new network. Come here. The name doesn't really matter, but it's just KCC mainnet. Okay, then here RPC URL, that's what I'm going to paste there. That's what I copied. Then chain ID 321. Then symbol is KCS. Next, let me copy the Explorer. Okay, symbol, chain ID, symbol KCS in uppercase. Then, you know, the symbol could pretty be anything, but it should just represent network. Then I click add. Boom, I've successfully added KCC network to that particular wallet that I sent my BTC on. All right, so now what I'm going to do right here is to click on import token, but before I do that, I have to go to CoinMarketCap and copy the contra ID, the KCC contra ID. So scroll all the way down, look for KCC. Okay, copy the contra ID, the BBTC contra ID. Click here, click on import token, paste that contra ID, it should just reflect. Okay, BTC K. Okay, they added K to theirs. Click import, and boom, the token should just reflect automatically. The BTC should just reflect automatically right here. So now if you are sending it from KCC network, it should be sent to a KCC address. All right, I don't know if Binance accepts KCC. Binance doesn't really accept KCC, so you have to send it to KuCoin on a KCC address. All right, so now if I want to send this out of this wallet, I need some KCS, some KuCoin, you know, in a very small version as transaction fee. So I can now go to my KuCoin, and because I want to send it here, so click on deposit, then click on you just search WBTC. Okay, so search it like that. Okay, the BBTC only have Ethereum, so let's just search BTC rather, then choose KCC network, and this is actually the place you are sending your BTC to. You copy this address, this is where you are sending it to. All right, so copy that address, then come to your Metamask. Where's Metamask? So come to Metamask, then click on send. Okay, although I have zero balance there, paste it in and click next, and boom, it will reflect automatically. So if you do this correctly, you should have your BTC you sent to KCC network, you know, automatically recovered. So please, if you don't understand this video and your own case is quite to other networks and you still don't understand, you can send me an email. I'll respond as quick as possible, or send me an Instagram message. I'll respond as quick as possible, and I'll be able to guide you to recover yours. If you're able to recover your coin that you sent to this KCC network or wrong address through this video, please, you could actually, you know, give me a thumbs up, like my video, or follow my channel. Or sometimes if it touches you too well, you could support by donating. There's a donation smart chain address, or whatever network you want to send into that network. Just let me know. You know, you can send any donation, smart chain, or Ethereum network, or KCC, whatever coin is sent, I'll still find it. Remember, I'm a master of recovering loss. Okay, see you in my next video. So you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video. All right.